guys, it's Eric G from Around the House Show. Is your barbecue just barely holding on and you need to upgrade it for the big game? We got you covered. Monument Grills was founded by three good friends in Atlanta, Georgia that wanted high-quality, durable grills inspired by iconic monuments. The grills are created for the person who loves to cook and are built to last and to enhance your outdoor cooking experience. What I love is that they are the best quality grills for under $900. So check out the American gas grill experts at monumentgrills.com. I bet you'll love to cook on one like I do. Check out the new standard in outdoor cooking at monumentgrills.com.
Here is what is coming up on Saturday. On the next 2 hours of the Around the House show, Eric sits down Dallas Jones to talk about how to best deal with radon in your home.
But lots of residential studies, not just in the United States, but all over the world, that it has a direct connection to increased risk of lung cancer. So the 4 picocurie per liter action level here in the United States was not set because it was considered to be a safe point. It was years ago when the EPA set that, it was considered to be an achievable concentration, that our mitigation technology could consistently reduce levels to below 4 picocuries per liter.
In the second hour, Eric explores ways to keep the cold and flu out of your home. He talks about current events, plus so much more.
If you've got a good filter system like that captures and kills, maybe turning that on for a week or so on low, so you're just moving air around and extra filtering the air. Because with most systems, when the house gets to temperature, and this time of year, it's mostly depending on where you're at. In most of the states right now, you got heat on. Maybe down south in Arizona, you got the AC going like normal, but that's it. But if you've got that heat or AC on, it's going through there. When it turns off, by turning that fan on, it's going to continue to filter air. So that's a great one. The next thing I recommend is if you have any kind of HEPA filters in the house, run those. And all that and more on Saturdays Around the House Show with Eric G. Heard on any podcast player. And don't forget, you could be listening to the show right now. If you are an Around the House insider, you would get the show 48 hours early. So Thursday, you could be checking out the brand new episode of Around the House. And you get all the back catalog, up to 1,000 episodes. Thanks for tuning in to Around the House. We'll see you on Saturday, either way. And don't forget, we have a brand new episode of Around the House Northwest on Saturday. You can stream it at kptv.com and just look for the Around the House banner across the top of the page. Or you can stream it live on the KPTV Fox 12 app on any mobile device. As always, thanks for tuning in to Around the House. We'll see you Saturday. Are you a contractor, landscaper, or small business owner? Are you tired of renting or pulling that worn-out trailer to the job site? Is that really the best look for your company? It's time to up your game and check out the trailers from Summit Trailer. If you want the highest quality trailer you can own, they are proudly made right here in Oregon with a dealer network all along the West Coast. What I love about my Summit trailer is that it's a dump trailer that was designed to work. I can load it up without having to worry about if it's going to be able to lift the load, and it pulls like a dream. This was built to work. So it doesn't matter if you want a dump trailer like mine or a deck over flatbed, tilt bed, or utility trailer. They got a trailer that'll fit your needs. Invest in your business with something you'll feel proud of, pulling up to any job site or your next project. Check out the best trailer in the West at summittrailermfg.com. Check out the dealer locator and find your nearest dealer at summittrailermfg.com.